Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put somewhere on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. Alright guys, I know that in Valorant, sometimes your teammates can be really annoying and really toxic. Like, I would literally be on top of the list. Like, I would be doing the best in the team, and this person would be doing like really bad, like he'd be in the very bottom of the team, and he'd still be talking smack, like, excuse me? So in this video, I am going to teach you guys how to mute your teammates in Valorant. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is going to be really quick. Alright, so all you have to do is click on the top right corner over here, and then click on settings, and click on audio, voice chat, and all the way down here it says team voice chat. Now by default it's going to be turned on. As you can see over here, it's on. So all you got to do is click off to turn it off. That's all you have to do, and you can just close settings. There you go, quick and easy. And that is it. That's all that you have to do to mute your teammates in Valorant. It's super easy. Now you don't have to worry about anybody being annoying or being toxic while you're playing the game, and you can just enjoy. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put somewhere on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. And guys, feel free to give me any video suggestions on how to do things if you want. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Later.